This is the thinnest mechanical keyboard in the market right now. If you're like me, you probably spend a lot of time at your computer typing away. Whether it's for school, work, or even some hardcore gaming, having a keyboard that's comfortable and gets the job done is really important. Today, I'm super excited to show you the Lofree Edge mechanical keyboard. This thing is wild. It's like nothing I've ever seen before. Let's jump right in and see what makes it so special. First things first, this is probably the thinnest keyboard I've ever seen. It's like something out of a futuristic movie or something. Imagine your regular keyboard and then squish it down to be super flat. That's basically the Lofree Edge. Why is this so cool? Well, if you're traveling with your laptop, it takes up hardly any space in your bag. And if you like a clean, minimal setup, it looks amazing on your desk. Now, this slimness doesn't come at the cost of the typing experience. Under those flat keycaps, Lofree uses these things called Kyle Palm 2.0 switches. That might sound fancy, but all it means is that when you type, it feels super smooth. The keys travel a little bit less than on other keyboards, so your fingers don't get as tired when you're typing for a long time, just like you get less tired walking shorter distances, right? It also means you can type a bit faster. But here's where it gets even better. The Edge uses something called a gasket mount. Imagine your keyboard is like a sandwich, with the switches stuck in the middle. A gasket mount puts little rubbery bits between the layers of the sandwich to make it softer to type on. Libraries are super quiet, right? The gasket mount makes this keyboard feel almost library quiet too. Super cool, especially if you work in a shared space or with other people around. Here's something I thought was really neat. See this bit underneath the keyboard? That's made from leftover material from when they made the main body. They call it the zero panel. Instead of just throwing stuff away, they make something else. This is kind of like when you have leftover pizza dough and you make little cheesy breadsticks with it. Yummy, and it doesn't waste anything. Another thing that sets this keyboard apart is the type of plastic used for the keycaps. It's called PBT. It's just a super strong type of plastic that feels good on your fingers and doesn't get all shiny and gross over time. It kind of feels like a very smooth, fine stone when you type. But wait, there's more. This keyboard has something called a 1008 polling rate, which basically means it talks to your computer super fast. This is really important for gamers because it means your character on screen will react instantly when you press a button, not a tiny bit later. It makes games feel way more snappy and fun. Of course, no keyboard is perfect. With the Edge being so flat, some people might find they need a little while to adjust to the typing feeling. It took me a day or two to get fully used to it. Also, for those of you who love that number pad on the side of your keyboard, unfortunately the Edge doesn't have one. That helps keep it so small. All in all, the Lofree Edge is a pretty amazing little keyboard. It's crazy thin, feels fantastic to type on, is built really well, and even has that cool, eco-friendly touch. If you value a unique design, a smooth and comfortable typing experience, and want to support a company that cares about the environment, the Lofree Edge could be the perfect keyboard for you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And hey, if you get yourself the Lofree Edge, come back and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.